Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 601 of trying a new makeup product every day. I am so excited about my product today. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. It's really crazy, but I have not tried this out yet. I was looking it up online and it's so high rated, and it says that it's had a cult following for over a decade. Over a decade this has been out, and it's been so popular, and I still have never tried it. But I'm finally trying it out today. I actually got this as a gift with purchase from Ulta. So this here, I believe, is their mini travel size, which at Ulta retails for $12, but then their full-size version retails for $23, which is not too bad. I just love Tarte. So many of my favorite makeup products of all time are from Tarte, and so maybe my new favorite mascara of all time will be from Tarte as well. And this has such cute and unique packaging. Let me check out the wand. What's also cool is that they're always doing special kind of limited edition packaging for this mascara. Like right now on the Ulta website, you get a free Zodiac charm if you buy the mascara, or they have like a special sparkly edition, something like that. It actually looks pretty standard to me. Not a crazy shape or long bristles. But so this is cruelty-free, it's vegan, and it's the 4-in-1 mascara because it claims to lengthen, curl, condition, and volumize, which I really hope it does all of those. This has some pretty high standards to live up to because recently I tried out a fantastic mascara from both MAC and Maybelline that I've been loving. So if you want to see those reviews, I will have those videos linked down below. Okay, yes, this is actually already off to a fantastic start. It's very lengthening already. It's coating each individual lash so they're staying nice and separated, and they're looking fully black in color. And this mascara wand is so easy to work with. I didn't get any mascara on my eyelid, which is good because that's something that happens to me all the time. Oh my gosh. And I also did not curl my lashes, and there's definitely some lift happening with these lashes. Okay, I'm gonna let that coat dry and try this out on the lower lashes. Yep, this is a fantastic bottom lash mascara because I'm able to get all of the lower lashes. Wow, I feel like I don't usually look like I have that many lower lashes. Yet it didn't get any mascara on my under eye. Oh my gosh, I love this wand, which I mean, I'm not surprised, but it just kind of looks like a standard wand, but it's truly performing so well. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a second coat to layer this up. Oh wow. Yes, this layers so nicely. It's so volumizing by layering it up. It's doubling at least the volume and keeping the lashes separated so that it's actually really giving a false lashes effect. I got a tiny bit of mascara on my eyelid, but just the tiniest bit. Wow. Okay, yeah, this is actually perfect. I love it. Let me show you the difference. Isn't that crazy dramatic? Lengthening, curling, volumizing, check, check, check. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye. So I mentioned when I did my Ipsy unboxing where I got the Babe Lash as an add-on, but I've been using the Babe Lash eyelash growth serum for just about 2 years now, and it truly made a difference in my eyelashes. And I had some people comment that it works well for them as well. It also worked so well on my sister and her friend. It's like a miracle product. And so that has also helped my lashes to get longer. But then when I can actually show how long they are with a mascara like this, it's just such a perfect combination. Also, I've been thinking about trying a lash lift, and I'm thinking of getting an at-home lash lift kit and creating a video on that. Let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in seeing that, or if you ever tried an at-home lash lift kit, because I just feel like my lashes are so long now because of the Babe Lash serum, but I just want them to be lifted and then it would be perfect. So I'm thinking an at-home lash lift kit would be the solution, but I'm a little bit nervous to do it on my own, but I'm also really excited to try that out. But speaking of excited, I am so excited about this mascara. It just makes me want to have everyone I know try this. Like, this is a mascara that I want to get everyone as a gift because it seriously looks so good. And when I see someone and I think that they need better lashes, this is the mascara that I want to give them. Like, full volume, full separation, so dark, so volumized. I just can't believe I ever would have used a mascara that was not up to this standard. I feel like once I've seen how amazing this mascara is on my lashes, I can't go back to like a dinky little dollar store mascara that doesn't give me this effect. This is so worth it. I mean, $12. I personally would just buy the travel size because you're supposed to replace your mascaras every 3 months anyways. So $12 every 3 months, that's worth it to me to get this gorgeous of a lash effect. So if you've tried this mascara, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.